Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and improving your productivity. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the COUNTIF function in Excel. This powerful function allows you to count the number of cells that meet a specific condition. The COUNTIF function is incredibly useful in various scenarios when you need to analyze data quickly. Today, we'll use a practical business example to show you how it works. Let's start with the basics of the COUNTIF function. The syntax for COUNTIF is straightforward, equals COUNTIF, range, criteria. Here's what each part means. Range is the group of cells you want to count. Criteria is the condition that must be met for a cell to be counted. Now, let's look at our example. We have a list of salespeople in column A and their quarterly sales in column B. Our goal is to count how many of these salespeople achieved their sales target of $10,000 or more. Here's our table. Column A lists the salespeople, and column B lists their quarterly sales figures. We want to find out how many salespeople met or exceeded the target of $10,000. In cell D2, we'll enter our COUNTIF formula. Start by typing the equal sign, COUNTIF, followed by open parentheses. Next, we need to specify the range of cells we want to count. In this case, it's column B, which contains the sales figures. So, we type B, followed by a comma. Now, we need to add our criteria. We want to count the cells where the sales figure is greater than or equal to $10,000. So, we type the greater than symbol, the equal sign, 10,000, close parentheses. The complete formula in cell D2 is listed on the screen. Press Enter, and Excel will return the number of salespeople who achieved the target of $10,000 or more. And there you have it. We've successfully used the COUNTIF function to count how many salespeople met their quarterly sales target. The COUNTIF function is not just limited to numbers. You can use it to count cells based on text, dates, or other criteria. It's an essential tool for data analysis and reporting. That's it for today's tutorial on the COUNTIF function in Excel. We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.